Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Kia Forte key fob. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. It's important to have a clean, well-lit area to work in, ensuring you can see all the small components clearly. This preparation makes the process smooth and straightforward. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for the small release button on the side of your fob. Press this button and then pull out the emergency key blade. With the blade removed, you'll see a small notch. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this notch and gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Gently pry it out using your screwdriver, being careful not to scratch any internal components. Before inserting the new battery, take a moment to note the orientation of the old one, specifically which side was facing up. Now, place the new CR2032 battery into the compartment with the positive side facing up, just as the old one was. It should fit snugly. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure everything is working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.